Hello everyone, Russell Wright from Domain Web Studio, Network Empire, and ThemeZoom.com. This is a video to follow up with Matt's updated Domain Web Studio 4.0 tutorial for legacy users who need to update the new PageRank feature as well as other features inside Domain Web Studio, the online SEO project team management, gig management, and online empire building suite. First, get a browser PageRank tool. We do not pull PageRank automatically in our software for a variety of reasons that you will discover with other keyword software tools out there. It takes a lot of proxies to do so. So in this current version, we made it really easy since you just need a global PageRank. You need to use, Matt uses SEO Books PageRank. This is Aaron Wall's PageRank checker. I use Chrome, PageRank, checker, and Alexa toolbar. You can go ahead and find those. Let me just pull another browser over here. Just do a search for PageRank plugins for Chrome. I actually use this one. This is Status PageRank Alexa toolbar. And you can use any of these that you want. And you can also use SEO Book. Just go to SEO Book. There's Aaron Wall using his Google author markup tags like a good boy. And you can find him anywhere. And the bar works pretty well. I don't use it, but a lot of people do. And either one of those will do just fine. Okay, and then you need to type in the keyword. Type your keyword or phrase in the search engine. It's best to make sure that you're logged out of your Google account. And you can tell right here that looks like I'm not, okay? You want to make sure that you are logged out. There is PageRank, and there's not PageRank difference, but there's keyword ranking difference. So you need to be logged out. I actually logged out earlier. That was an old browser. It should say sign in if you're using Google, Chrome, or any other of your browsers. You're logged in if you see your image in the upper right hand corner. Also, if you use Google Plus in the upper left corner here, your name and your Google Plus name will be there if you are logged in. So go ahead and log out when you're checking your keywords. Type your keywords in. Here's an example keyword that I threw in out of thin air. And what you're going to want to do is just look at your PageRank bar. You can see how I have my PageRank bar installed right here. Okay, that's the Amazon one. And just click on your number one ranking competitor, and you can see this is PageRank 7. So in my Domain Web Studio suite, I would go and put PageRank 7. I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. People often ask, should I use Wikipedia? Well, we're going to talk about that. The answer is not really, unless you really want to challenge yourself. Wikipedia's actually got a lower PageRank than Moody's because they are an authority site that is deeply siloed, and actually sheer massiveness is really why it's got a lower PageRank but outranks. It's an authority site. It's given special handling, and we'll talk more about that inside the members area. Okay, look at the results. Ignore giant authority sites like Wikipedia, Ask, About, etc. Find the PageRank of the highest ranking competitor. In this case, it was Moody's, which is what I just showed you. Log into Domain Web Studio, select your project, go to the keyword decision screen, go to the business rules and filters, change the PageRank to your highest ranking competitor. In this case, it would be Moody's. Okay, and I like to look at a couple of them. You can see in Matt's video, he actually did an average. Sometimes you do have some weird things where your highest ranking competitor is not the highest PageRank. Okay, that's very rare. And if you're leaving most authority sites out. Another question that comes in is an authority site has marketing on it. Do you consider your competitor? Well, I like to buy marketing on sites that are above me. That's really up to you how you want to do that. But go with the highest PageRank of the highest ranking competitor, meaning they're competing directly for you with products. And if you want to go for the ones that are having advertising, like WebMD in the health industry is one of them that comes up. That's entirely up to you. Whether you're buying advertising or not, you decide whether you want to include that in your project. Okay, go over to Domain Web Studio. You're going to navigate to a project, go to your silo framework. Once you get in the silo framework, go to your business rules and filters. And then we already know that it's PageRank 7. You're going to change that specific project to PageRank 7. And that's an update more specifically on how Sue Bell types in PageRank for her projects and how I do it as well. It's a little bit more specific. Matt does similar things. He's actually doing full averages, but because he was trying to give you so many steps, I wanted to make sure we gave you a more precise step-by-step walkthrough on how to change that PageRank. Hope that's helpful. And be careful with this. Remember, we're giving you worst case scenario. It's always better to go up for yourself or your clients, because that way you're giving yourself a lower bar, more of a challenge, and you're going to guarantee to rank for it. All right, so this is Russell Wright from Domain Web Studio. I hope this makes sense. I look forward to seeing you on the inside of the Domain Web Studio at www.networkempire.com.